You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this state of the United States. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting names of famous places around the US and the names of all 50 states, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. In the US, it is said as Maryland, Maryland. Stress on the first syllable. Maryland is how you say it, Maryland. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names, as I said, of famous cities and states all around the United States. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for your support. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.